In this module, we will discuss the role of second messengers in the cell signaling. What is the role which they play? Second messengers, they are molecules that relay signals from reception to the cell surface. अब जो सिग्नल है वो रिसीव हुआ रिसेप्टर से, और क्या होता है कि सिग्नल फ्रॉम रिसेप्टर टू द सेल सरफेस, जो सेल की सरफेस है उसके ऊपर ये रिले करते हैं टू टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल्स इनसाइड द सेल, जो कि सेल में टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं उनके वो जाता है. दैट्स नोन एज द सेकंड मैसेंजर. नो दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दे ग्रेटली एम्पलीफाई द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सिग्नल. सेकंड जो है ये सिग्नल्स जो हैं वो उसको एम्पलीफाई करते हैं. देखें ना, ये एम्पलीफिकेशन जो है ये कॉमन ये है कि अगर आप ये जो आपका रेडियो है, व्हाट इट डज, इट एम्पलीफाइज द सिग्नल. ये इट रिसीव्स एंड देन इट इंक्रीजेस द सिग्नल so that you can hear the voice. Similarly, they can cause some kind of change in the activity of cell. That is, the signal which is received, they cause the change in the activity of cell, and lastly, they are essential component of cell signaling pathway. Cell signaling का जो pathway है उसका वो एक जुज़्व ला युनफिक है, एक ज़रूरी हिस्सा है. Now that was actually discovered by Earl Wilbur Sutherland Jr. in 1971, and for this invention he was awarded a Nobel Prize because, mind you, this was a very important and interesting discovery. Now the three major classes of second messengers as their molecule, that is the cyclic nucleotide, that is the cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP, then other molecule that is inositol triphosphate IP3, and diacylglycerol DAC. And the third one is the calcium ions. They make an important classes of the second messenger, which are for the cell. Now, for example, here they can be hydrophilic, which is diacylglycerol, phosphatide glycerol. They have another class of the compound is hydrophilic, that is the cyclic AMP, all the nucleotides. And then the gases. The gases are also important molecules in as a second messenger. Nitrous oxide, H2S, carbon monoxide, and so on. Now, the important one is the cyclic AMP, and it is the second messenger that is capable of diffusing to other sites within the cell. इसकी कैपेबिलिटी ये है कि ये साइकिल जो है ये सेल में डिफ्यूज हो जाती है और it goes to the other part of the cell to carry out the message, to carry out the signal. Now, the synthesis of cyclic AMP, it follows किस तरह binding of the first messenger, जो first messenger compound है उनके साथ ये bind करती है, a hormone और a ligand. ठीक है जी? The first messenger, which is a hormone or ligand, to the receptor of the outer surface of the cell. सेल के बाहर जो रिसेप्टर है ये उधर चले जाते हैं and it carries out the message. Just like this, if you see in this diagram, that shows the localized formation of cyclic AMP in a live cell in response to the addition of extracellular messenger molecule, yellow जो है. And this is showing a sensory nerve cell जो कि sense करते हैं from a see here. You can see very clearly that how the cyclic AMP in the nerve cell, which shows the yellow portion, is diffusing into the nerve cell and carrying out the message for which it has got for the cell to respond.